light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. What is up, UKULIMBAKERS? UKULIMBAKERS, you know. If you love ukulele or kalimba or maybe both, you are UKULIMBAKERS according to me. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how to play Here I Am to Worship, and before we start, make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning. Here's a piece of paper with all the chords that you need for the song. I'll give you a couple of seconds to take a look at that while I have a sip of my coffee. Alright, we're playing this song in key of D. If you know those chords already, let's proceed. But in case you don't, I'll give you a quick tutorial. D, we have this one, all on the 2nd fret of your G, C, E strings. You may have this one or this one, up to you. A goes like this, 2nd fret of your G string and 1st fret of your C string, number 1 finger. We also have B minor, that is barring your number 1 finger to 2nd fret of these strings and number 3 finger right here, 4th fret. We also have E minor. Okay, it looks like a ladder, so you have your 4th fret, 3rd fret, and 2nd fret. Let this number 1 or this G string ring. And finally, G. So your G goes like this, 2 fingers right here, 2nd fret, and number 3 finger here, 3rd fret of E string. So those are your chords. Let's start. Okay, so for the strumming patterns, we have 2 strumming patterns that I suggest. First is down, 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 up. If you do it continuously, it sounds like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. And that is useful if you will play chords with 2 beats each. So for example, we have here D and A shifting. Okay, so it goes like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. The second strumming pattern is the strumming pattern we use for chord with 4 beats. Okay, and that is down, down, up, 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 down. We feel the rhythm. Down, down, up, 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 down. We add down, up as end. Down, down, up, 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 down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those strumming patterns are only my suggestion. If you want to use your own strumming pattern, it's up to you. You may do it freely. Alright, so now let's go to the verse. The verse has the chord progression that you see on your screen. I also have made a song sheet for you. It's downloadable for free. Check out the link below. Alright, so let's do this. So we start with D. Light of the A world, you step E minor down into G. Darkness. Then we have D again. Open my A eyes, let me. When you reach G, we have 4 beats. Okay? Let me see. 3, 4, and then just repeat it again. Good, C, dot, A minor, and G. The hope of a life spent with G. Then stay another 4 beats. Here, that is the chorus. Alright, so let's go to the chorus. For the chorus, we have chords with 4 beats, so we can use the second strumming pattern. But if you want to use the first strumming pattern, it's up to you. You are free to do so, okay? So, coming from Spent With You, another G, 1, 2, here I am to the worship, here I am to a bow down, here I am to B minor, say that you're my G, you're all together, D, D, and all together, A, all together, B minor, full to me, G, just like a rest before we go to the second verse. So for the second verse of the song, we have the same chord progression with the first. I'll walk you through with the parts of the song. We have here the second verse, King of All Days, starts with D. So coming from Wonderful to Me, wonderful to me. Then we go, you can go directly to King of All Days, or you can stay with another G, just so you will have a rest. Wonderful to me. So for example, rest, 4 beats. Okay, and then King of All Days. King of all E minor and G, D, A, and G. Humbly you came. Humbly you came. E minor and G, D, and A, G. Then stay another G. Lord, here I am to D. Here I am to down, down, up, down, to down, down, up, down, my God, up, down, lovely, and all together worthy, and all together B minor and G. Then after that, we go to the solo part. The solo part, you just use the chord progression of the verse. So it goes like this. And it's up to you if you want to have a solo part of the song. You may also omit or remove this part. Okay? Then after that, we go to the bridge. Alright, so let's go to the bridge. But before we go to the bridge, let me remind you to subscribe this channel. Give me a thumbs up. And ring the bell so you'll see my future videos. Kalimba and ukulele, Christian songs. Alright, and also you may download the song sheet for free in the link below. Okay, check out my links right there. You'll see some links. Basta yun. Anyway, so let's go to the bridge now. We have only 3 chords. The first part of the bridge, A, B minor, and G. Okay, 2 beats. 2, 1, 2, and then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. I also include in this tutorial the version of Hillsong. I think yung merong Call Upon the Name of the Lord. That's part of our bridge. So the first part is A, B minor, G. And that is, I'll never know how much it cost to see my sin upon that cross. That's A, down, down, G. I mean B minor, down, down, and G. Down, down, up, down, and down, 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 and down, down, up. For the last time, I'll never know how much it cost to see my sin upon that cross. Stay. Then call upon the name of the Lord. And the chord progression of this part, the second part of the bridge, is the same chords that we use with the chorus. So coming from G, call upon the name of the Lord, A, and B minor, say. We're just gonna do it again 2 times. Call upon the name of the Lord and be saved. And then, alright, after that, you go to chorus to worship. And that's the song. I hope you learned something today. And I'll see you again, UKULIMBAKERS. UKULIMBAKERS. Alright, hanggang sa muli ating pagkikita. Paalam. What's up, Bert?
My name is Bert.
Your name is Bert.
Yeah, so every day is my birthday. Every day is my birthday.
So this is David.
That's David. Confused. Siya, long day. Long day.